when we create or edit features, which are the constructive features that make up the model. Changes occur in the SolidWorks desktop, as we will see in this class. Come on, let's go. We will use as an example this key, which has been modeled using sketches and some features. We can move, rotate, and change the fill shapes to view some details of the model. SolidWorks is a fully interactive software, facilitating access, navigation, and most importantly, modeling. Note that when you hover over the tools, their names are displayed. When selecting a tool, the Property Manager provides instructions for use, for example, whether you need to select a plan or a sketch. When creating or editing a sketch, in the upper right corner of the graphic area is displayed a tab that allows you to confirm or cancel the sketch. Let's edit Sketch 1, from Boss Extrude Feature 1. Click on the sketch and select Edit Sketch from the floating bar. Then we click Normal to, so that the visualization is orthogonal to the screen. See that the contours are shown, as well as the Confirmation tab. We will change the quota of 16 by double-clicking on it, typing the value of 15 and confirming the box. Note that the other features of the Feature Manager are gray and only Sketch 1 is active. We confirm the issue. Note that the key has been changed normally, without causing any errors. Let us now edit the Revolve Feature 3. We select the feature in the project tree, and click on the Edit Feature icon in the floating bar. See that the properties of the tool are displayed in the Property Manager, as well as the Confirmation tab. Dimensions and preview of the revolution are also shown. Let's type an angle the value of 270 and confirm the command. Note the result and see that errors have occurred in other features of the model. We can undo the editing by clicking on Undo or by clicking Ctrl+C on the keyboard, just as for Windows operations. To make it easier to find features, we can rename them. Simply click on the desired feature and press F2 or select the feature and click on it in the Feature Manager. Let's rename the Revolve Feature 3 to Key and the Sketch 1 to Sketch 1. SolidWorks has an interactive help tool called Quick Tips. This tool can be accessed through the Help menu or the status bar. Clicking on the icon opens a window, where we inform you of the desired operation. We clicked on Create More Features. Note that SolidWorks shows you the tools we can use to create more features. By selecting one of these tools, the Help dialog continues to assist us in modeling the new feature. Completing the new feature, we close the Help window as shown. A dynamic and fast way to edit features is through the Instant 3D tool. With this active tool, when you click on any face, you will see a reference triad and an arrow, which you can drag, changing the dimension of the feature. Note that we can also click on the blue dot shown in the dimensionals to change its value. See that the preview and precision ruler are shown, to guide us through the operation. We saw in this class the main features presented by the software for editing features. Knowing the most important tools available for this task.